go over here, Mom. Tornado, Washington County.
Washington County is, it's that way. What did they say? Tornado warning? Over there. It'd be over that way. That's what I said. That's why I'm watching. I said you'd be in that area.
Yeah, that's it.
I said that's what I always said. You watch that. That's your sign right over there. You'll see a funnel maybe come out, and they usually go on the edge.
No, you can see it right here.
Well, look at that. Look at here. Now I'm talking about on the left though. You'll see the funnel come down right here somewhere. We're going to take the hills right now, but they'll come riding out this way. That's why they head towards Memphis. That storm chaser, because it's going to come that way, Memphis. Memphis is about that way.
On the front of Greenville and Highway 150 on the ground.
Okay. All right. That way.
Jay's in Lanesville.
Well, he stayed in her mom's house? Okay.
You got
that way. Here comes the wind. I can hear it coming.
We're going to have the dogs ready, though. This looks bad right there. It's
going to be bad. This is what they're talking about. They're telling everybody to get out, go home.
This is it.
Listen. We're going to the house. I'm going to get the screwdriver. No, we're going to the house. I'm telling you. You weren't working. We'll get in the house. It's roof. Just don't pop the hole.
Right here it is. It's coming right now.
Yep. Watch out over there. Should be the funnel where she's talking about. It's that way, right in that big area.
Pop it. This is it right here coming over the hill. The tornado is? You better hurry up and pop that. Here it is. Here's a tornado right here. She says it's on the ground. Get the dogs. This is it right here. She says it's on the ground. If it hits, I'm going to record this shit, though. Huh? Better get the dogs ready. This is it. I'm going to try to hold the best I can, though. But I hit there's the funnel right there, right in front of us. There's a tornado right here, too. She said tornado. It could land right in front of us. Better get the dogs. Go get the dogs. Let me get it. I got it right here in front of us. It can land right in front of us. Is that a funnel right here? Come on, tornado here. Mom, get over here. Do we need to get her jump in the car? Jump in the car? No, it's it. Do we need to jump in the car? Do we need to jump in the car? That's it.
Yeah, that is it. That is it.
Tornado.
Come on, here, let's go for a bit, all right? That's tornado.
That's it.
That is it. That is the tornado. On that page. Get right there.
Get ready. Get back. Get back.
Tornado, man.
There it is. We're recording this shit. You got it on record.
We're filming it. We're filming it. The tornado, man.
It's
wow. Oh, man. Oh, man, man.
This is awesome.
Oh, man.
Oh, no.
Get in there.
Get back.
Stay in there.
There it is. It's coming over the hill. Mom, do we need to jump in the car? Yeah, jump in the car. We need to run.
All right.
Look,
Yeah, come on.
Come on. Go. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. in the car. Jump, Mom, let's go. Go, go, go. Jump in, go.
Come on. Get in here.
Go.
Hurry, 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 hurry. I'm telling you.
Get this. Get it. Go on, ready. Roll, 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 roll. Go, fuck these cars, Dad, go. Go. Speed.
Wait.
No, you go backwards.
Stay there.
Backwards.
Stay right there.
Run this way.
Come on, stay right there, me. I got one kid.
Shit, back up, back up, back up.
Hey, Tommy.
Back up.
Hey, go. Wait.
Back up.
Go, get going. Come. Take it this way.
Back up. Shit. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Look, Cornell, way over there. It hit that lake. It hit our lake over there. Man, that was scary as fuck.